Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, Coins Reaction Zone, and episode 7 of Reborn as a Vending Machine, I Now Wander the Dungeon. So episode 6, we actually had some good fight scenes, with the Frog Fiend, two Frog Fiend deaths in the beginning, haunting them, and then the crocodiles, then the crocodile boss fight with Boxo, killing him, blowing him up from the inside, turning into a big pile of bones. Pretty fun. The form changes and everything was pretty interesting. One of the discrepancies is like the point system is completely arbitrary at this point, because he raised his toughness to 50, he changed his durability to 200, he shot out a bunch of ice, enough to get like 50 crocodiles out of the water. Must have been a crap ton of ice and just shot up by the ice. All his form changes, but the only time he took point damage was whenever he crashed into the rocks and took durability damage. But it's fine, because that's what the kind of anime this is. It's essentially just a comedy isekai, so I'm not really thinking about it too much. So I'm really interested to see how episode 7 is going to be, especially because it's called Voracious Devils. And like I said in the previous episodes, I've read the light novel up to chapter 82 whenever it went into hiatus. So I honestly can't remember anything about it since it went into hiatus a long time ago, and I first read it whenever it was first releasing. So I have no idea what's going to happen with Boxo. So I'm really excited to see how his journey continues, especially because this is a series that's going to have 12 episodes in it, and we're only on episode 7, so there's still a lot more to go. And episode 6, by the way, I never gave it a rating, but I think I would rate it a 7 out of 10. I think it was pretty enjoyable, and the fights were pretty fun. Ooh, vending machine, okay. 10,000 points to increase speed by 10. Wow, 10,000 points for only speed 10, that's crazy. Yeah, it's in the barrier, so... Oh, cardboard, that's smart. Wait, if he becomes a cardboard vending machine, doesn't that mean that anybody could carry him? Like, he could have human carry him and go on adventures? Oh my gosh, that labyrinth, dude. It's been a pain to animate. Oh my gosh. Oh wow, okay. That's awesome. 1,000,000 points. Keep cold, keep warm. First scene pump, vending machine rank up. Oh, here we go, Power Rangers Evolution. Boxo durability 250, 0, 200. He wants to transform and stuff. What can he transform into before? Like, he seems pretty versatile. Coin of vacuum cleaner. Oh, nice. I like that Pokemon kind of sound. Proof that you defeated his Stratum Lord. Well, he could use it as like an adventure token, right? Please revert to your original form. I don't think he had that. I guess he always quickly changed, he never stayed in one position. Well, they heard the explosion, so they know that there's a giant hole. Oh, nice. So if he ever gets turned into a desert, that's sweet, especially because he doesn't eat or drink. Those look like they talk for sure. Just full on dog people. That's awesome. I mean, I forgot about this. This is amazing. Gosh, what are you gonna do? Visibility mode. Okay, so you can use a barrier. Yeah, there you go. Boom. Freaking making them bloody nose with a bottle of milk. Okay, yeah. I love the way they walk. They're so cute. So they're basically kind of similar. So we call them bear cats. So I guess they're a mix between the bear, like the adventurer guild person, and regular cats. They're like a little trio. Oh, they're so cute. They make me happy. I love these past two episodes. Episodes 6 and 7 have been great. Fries, onigiri, nice. Karage. Oh, a 6-piece set, nice. Going straight into fried food. That's not good for cats or bears, maybe. Because it's soy sauce. I make krage all the time. Like, it's not good for animals. All the stuff in it. Wow, Pel, Suko, and Mikine, and then short. That's all his name is. That's so mean. That exposition was so funny. Tasmanian devils, really? Interesting. So they're not really bear cats, that's just what he called them. Tasmanian devils is definitely interesting. Okay, nice. Do they have real money? Like, okay, I guess they do. Is that takoyaki? I love these guys, they're so funny. I want them to stick around. Look at them all, baby. Voracious devils. Okay, they're the title of this episode, so I'm pretty happy with them. I love how they're constantly blushed on their faces. At least he's loyal. So he's trying to tell them about his language. They just need one smart guy. Yes. Oh, he can do that? Nice. And since it's just ground, it should be easy to do. I love how Pel's teetering around when he walks. Them's fighting words. So are these guys from our same stratum? I guess not, since the stratum that Lamus and them are from is pretty small. Yeah, can you change the labels maybe of the stuff? Hello there, please. Oh. They can't read Japanese. Huge hog? Oh, so they call orcs huge hogs. That's funny. Oh my gosh, it's a full-on kerosene pump. Oh, there you go. Easy peasy. Oil slick, baby. He's really getting great forms. Oh my god. That is insane animation on that guy. That's where all the animation budget went. Jeez. Flaming friggin' skeleton eating orcs. Or huge hog fiends. Falling like a devil guy. Holy crud. Straight up, really? That's the Lord, okay. Well, can't you just use like a water hose and just spray him down and then just break the bone? Oh my god, she's a Fujoshi. Good, we're in left. See? That's what I was saying. Wow, he's good. It's like a martial artist. If this episode or this anime is any indication, then it's just gonna be our main guys, yeah. Wait, so they are from our stratum. Oh, okay, so okay. Okay, yeah. Yeah, it is. I knew it was gonna be Lamus and them. I thought she couldn't fight and hit anything without muscle or weight on her back. I thought that was the entire point of her power. And the director bear just happened to show up. Where was the director? What was he doing? And I guess these guys are from the same stratum? No, they're not. Okay. Yeah, that's what I thought they said earlier. And you remember their names too. That was an adorable episode. I love the Voracious Devils. They're so funny. Just little Tasmanian devil group. And just going stuck in the maze. So I guess they're not going to really fight the fire skeleton. They're just going to move on. But that animation, dude, was insane for just like a 20-second scene. That's where all their freaking fighting animation went from the second episode. I would rate this episode a 7 out of 10. I've loved episodes 6 and 7. The first half of 5 was good. And the second half of 5 was pretty bad. And then 3 and 4 were pretty boring. So it's 6 and 7, and it keeps this kind of speed of like comedy and just cuteness for the rest of the series. And I definitely think it's going to bring back up my score for me on overall episode enjoyment. I'm really excited for the episode 8 next week, because actually episode 8, I lied. It's Flame Skeleton of the Labyrinth Stratum. So I guess they're probably going to be on their way home or through the maze, and the flame skeleton is going to show up again. I'm really excited for that. There's going to be another boss battle between like 2 episodes, so that's really, really cool. I'm really interested to see how that'll go and how the animation is going to be. So I think that's going to do it for me for this episode. I will react to episode 8 next week. Thank you everyone for watching, and I'm really enjoying this series again. Have a great day. Quick little after credits scene. It definitely was a bit of a letdown, kind of, showing the Voracious Devils / Tasmanian Devils, and kind of skipping over, stopped a big emotional scene with Lamus waking up and noticing that Boxa was gone and wanting to save him no matter what. They kind of just glossed over that fact, forcing the Menagerie of Fools to go in, even though against their better judgment, because they didn't want to go in and they had to jump in that big hole. Crocodile Coin didn't really do anything, even though we expected it to. Basically, felt like they shoehorned in a lot of exposition, a lot of stuff happening at random points, which is how this anime has gone before. But also with the transformation sequence of it, only letting him do 2 hours, basically giving Lamus a reason why she's around. Definitely kind of wary about that now that I think about it. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. That's all I wanted to say, just to give that thought before I forget. So.